Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So in episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a grow light that you can use for your plants. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So I can see in the package they mention how the product is like a ring light design, but let me actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what it actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside, they provide guys like a wall charger that has a USB option on here. Next up right here, we do have the actual product, and they provide guys accessories inside. So take it all out. So once you guys take it out, you can see the product on this side. And then for this side, we do have the user manual to teach you guys how to use it. So in the back, they provide guys all the different specs and features on here. So they mention how it has a two-way timer. It has a dimmable brightness level on here. It has 3-hour, 9-hour, and 12-hour timer. And the height is adjustable on the product. So you can see right here, we do have the product. So the way how you can activate the product is by plugging the cable with the USB option. And right here, we do have the remote control. You can see there's a lot of different button controls that's on here. So we have a power button, a timer button, a mode button, and the brightness level button on here. And right here, we do have the ring light option. So the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. For this part right here on top, it is adjustable. So that way you can move it forward or backward, however you guys want to. For this part right here, it does give you guys the option to extend it. You can see it definitely goes pretty far. You do have the option to push back in as well to save space. Bottom part, we do have this very sharp end, so that way you can stick it onto your plant to hold it in place. But that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how it works. So the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does use a USB option to power on. So instead of you plugging into your wall charger, or computer, or power bank. So in this case, I'm plugging in my power bank. Once you guys plug it in, you guys can definitely turn it on. So just press the button one time, that will activate it. If you guys press it again, that will turn it off. If you guys press it again, if you guys press the top button, that will activate the timer option. So 3 hours, 9 hours, or 12 hours. If you guys press the one above that, you can change the different colors that's on here. So this one right here is a warm light option. If you guys press it again, this is the blue and pink light. If you guys press it one more time, that is the 3-color light option. And if you guys press the button right above that, you guys have the option to increase or lower the brightness level that's on here. So they do mention how there's 10 different brightness levels that's on here when you guys do use it. So once you guys have it all set up, all you need to do is just extend this part here to whatever height you guys want. And then once you guys finish that, you guys can bend this part here so that we can face the plant when you guys are actually using it. And then once you're done using it, you can press the button to turn it off. And it's all set. So very easy and very simple to use it. And for the one that I got right here, it is a single head. They do have another one available which is a dual head option. So if you guys want a dual head option, then definitely go for that instead. But I think one should be enough if you guys only have like one plant. But that is everything that's on the product. Not the unboxing and testing product. Not the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to grow some plants indoor and there's not enough sunlight. That's where one of these actually comes in handy. So I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.